Digital transformation is happening all around us. Look at the way we watch movies nowadays. It's all online. No more VHS tapes or DVDs. The same is true for music. Manufacturing is no exception. The traditional productivity levers have been widely exhausted. We are seeing a push towards data-driven manufacturing. We are in the middle of the fourth industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the digitization of the manufacturing sector with embedded sensors in virtually all product components and manufacturing equipment, ubiquitous cyber-physical systems, and analysis of all relevant data. The disruptive technologies of Industry 4.0, such as IT-enabled manufacturing and increased computing capacity, hold the promise of smart factories that are highly efficient and increasingly data integrated. Data is the core driver. Leaders across the industries are leveraging data and analytics to achieve a step change in value creation. A big data advanced analytics approach can result in significant increase in production volume and reduction in downtime. At SICK, we have been generating data at the sensor level for over 75 years, assisting our customers in their automation needs. Our tagline, Sensor Intelligence, means using sensors in a smart way. We have a portfolio of over 40,000 products offering many different features and functionalities. There are sensors that can detect, determine a position, measure, identify, protect, control, and monitor, among many other things. Sensor intelligence means combining all these functionalities to create a smart and connected overall concept. On the other hand, sensor intelligence also means making sensors more intelligent, turning sensor data into valuable information by using rapid computing power within the sensor itself or at the edge of the process control network. Creating a network of all machines and sensors to different data processing systems opens up an unparalleled number of solutions. Sensors can give you more solutions than meets the eye. Customers benefit from the programmable devices for tailor-made application solutions. And customers can easily develop a configuration themselves using an engineering framework we call AppSpace and give their existing smart sensors a completely new application. We know that the concept of intelligence is evolving. What was considered a breakthrough 10 years ago may be standard today. SICK has made significant investments in research and development, for example, in the use case of deep learning, machine learning, and algorithms for sensor data, in order to expand the digital ecosystem. Thank you.